going to show you how to make homemade pumpkin roll from scratch. We'll start by making the cake that is light, fluffy, like sponge cake. Before we are finished, I will show you how to make homemade buttercream filling. I can't wait to show you this delicious pumpkin roll recipe. We got 3 eggs and we've whipped them up a little bit. I'm going to pour them in here. We got a cup of sugar and a tablespoon of lemon juice. We're going to beat the eggs and the sugar and the lemon juice. We're going to add 2/3 cup of pureed pumpkin. In this bowl, I've got 3/4 cup of plain flour, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger, a 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and I sifted it, and I'm fixing to put it in there. I'm going to stir it, make sure everything's... I got my batter, and it's going to be very thin. That's what you want. Let's take one, make sure it's mixed. I got my jelly roll pan, and I've sprayed it, and then I put some wax paper down on top of it with a little bit of overlay, and I'm going to put it on top of the thing. We're going to spread it out, make it even. Then we've chopped up 2 cups of pecans, very fine. I'm going to spread it out on top of this. And we're going to put it in the oven at 350 for about 13 minutes. And it shouldn't take very long because it's going to be a very thin batter. We've cooked the cake, we've rolled it up, it's in the towel, it's cooling off. Now we're going to make the icing that goes inside. We have a cup of powdered sugar. We have an 8-ounce block of cream cheese. And we have 4 tablespoons of softened butter. Okay, that's ready to go. It's nice and not too thick. And we'll wait on that cake to cool off a little bit. We've had the pumpkin roll in the fridge cooling down, and we've brought it out and we're fixing to roll it out and put the filling in it. I've rolled it up, I've put the filling inside of it, and I'm fixing to wrap it up with some saran wrap so we can get it back into the refrigerator because it needs to cool. I haven't made one of these in a long time. Yeah, when my son was in grade school, every Thanksgiving, fall holiday, them teachers up there would want a pumpkin roll. So I haven't made one in a while. I guess I should get started back making them. They were real popular back then. So we found that recipe, blew off the dust off of it. But we'll be back and we'll show you it all rolled up. Thank you for watching. Like this video if you've learned something. Subscribe to see more videos. Leave a comment on what you would like to learn.